Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 11th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing D-Link India. First is the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for your profit or loss. So D-Link India, this is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. If you see this weekly chart, we have this double bottom formation and very soon this is going to break out. So once we see a level of around 160 and it is holding around 160, so 155 to 160 is the label where if we see a breakout and if it is holding that label, then we can go and buy it for a target of around 210. So currently the chart looks attractive. Just wait for confirmation, which I think very soon we will be seeing, and it will happen that we will see a breakout because this is what is being conveyed by RSI. So this looks like we will see a breakout very soon, and then you buy it, then we have some good upside coming. The first target will be 210, and once that is achieved, then we will go for seeing what are the higher levels. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.